Kajala Karnataka kadon aswa apsangut ki MLA banag nilai penutri ki assembly constituency abah kerpang ya ki schedule kas bat kasan teli abah ya ki schedule tribe ha ka jingla jingo ina thok bon na mikraya sakde ke jela dangsian layo bansaki ya ka bidhan sudha ne ga ying do bathau ai u kayan chekaro parliamentary kai jong gate ging Dorbar wa batai ya ki jinit ki jinat kan ging Dorbar om tang na kam ta ka soka hanrai kadai ru nam ta kamen sem ka sensial pai ba Latai ya kabidhan sudah hakajing penwandur u kengkar Hanuman Thaya badai Chief Minister na Mysore balabu maunong rim dau Prime Minister barim ka India o Jawaharlal Nehru house name kat kendai spa san phuai bala pendep bantai house name kat kendai spa san phonreu latai de ki mau kranai ki bayo na saudang kanong ba Bengaluru kebala su syasuny hakajing jirong keba sispa san phau phut utunum rengkat sautli gimala hakajing he kajaka keba hanro phau akar kadai kawai kajing tai ke bheta ma India kebala khalang da kastai New Dravidian Indo Saracenic bat ka classical Indian temple utunum bahapleng penwando da kadur jong using ashoka bat ka Jingthoh Dakten pareng komen work is God's work. Kau mut ke kam Sorkar ke kamu Blei. Kebetulan ke jingkit kli hakam syakri yagi pait ba. Hakani ke Ïing Dorbar ke don atli ke Ïing Dorbar. Kawai ke bidhan sabha. Kewadai ke lower house ke bagan top apusa aspa apsaungut ki MLA ne ki member of legislative assembly. Kewajit ki pait ba anaki constituency kat ba ke bidhan Parishad kadai ke upper house ke bagan top nyupusangut ki member of legislative councils ki bajet na pedang gino hikai ki semla puli berkiwei ki benta.
And this is the biggest door, and this has been done the same replica from the Mysore Palace. This built in the rose, the length of the building, this door is 16 feet into 13 feet. We have taken the same design as from the Mysore Palace. And this is a double door and the single door. And why this has been done? Because many of the visitors used to come and speaker thought of an idea. He was a young man. He's a very young speaker. And no speaker had dared to touch it because we had a grilling door. And he made it up a mind to see that there is a change. And thereby this door is called Mysore door, and we have a symbol. We have a symbol of the Mysore, this one. And that it represents the Mysore kingdom. You know, that is a symbol of our state. We'll just proceed inside.